Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato from scratch using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and 4 egg yolks. Don't forget a pinch of salt and your chosen flavoring, like a vanilla bean or cocoa powder. Next, we'll prepare the base. Gently heat 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of cream, and half of the sugar in a saucepan. In a separate bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks with the remaining sugar until light. Slowly temper the yolks by adding a small amount of the warm milk mixture. Then, combine everything in the saucepan and cook, stirring, until it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit and thickens slightly. Once your base is cooked, strain it through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a smooth texture. Now, it's crucial to chill the base thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even overnight. This step is vital for achieving the right gelato consistency. After chilling, pour the cold base into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions until it resembles soft-serve ice cream. Finally, transfer your freshly churned gelato into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours to allow it to firm up to the perfect scoopable consistency. Gelato is best enjoyed fresh, so serve it right away to experience its rich, dense texture and intense flavor. Enjoy your homemade, easy method gelato.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.